Do you want to increase the maximum file upload size in WordPress? Sometimes a low file upload size limit can stop you from uploading files with the media uploader or installing larger WordPress plugins and themes. In this video, we will show you how to easily increase the maximum file upload size in WordPress to fix those issues. So let's start the video. To do this, you will need the WPSwiss Toolkit plugin. You can download the plugin from WordPress.org and also from the link which is given in our video description. If you download from our link, this will give you some added benefits, such as you will get discount code on our Pro plugins and will know details about our products. Once the download is complete, install and activate the plugin. Now find here WPSwiss Toolkit option. Hover your mouse here. Click on the Features option. It will take you to this page. Here you will see numerous options. Don't worry, this is a multifunctional plugin. For example, it has various options including maximum upload size increase, Favicon upload, SVG image support, upload custom avatar, username change, post/page duplicate, WP-admin login URL change, passwordless temporary login, user switching, and spotlight search. Anyway, today we will see how this plugin can increase the maximum upload size. Let's turn on the maximum upload size increaser. It shows you two new options. The first is maximum upload file size. Enter the file size here. You can use it here according to your needs. The next option is maximum execution time. Enter the execution time here. Upload files with larger sizes should require more execution time. Now press the Save button. Now go to Media. Click on the Add New button. See, your maximum upload file size has changed. You can now upload large files here. In this way, you can increase the maximum upload file size of your WordPress so easily. And as I said earlier, this is a multifunctional plugin. So there are separate videos for each feature of our plugin. Link in the description, check it out. You can also check our other plugins. We have several WordPress plugins. The most popular plugins are Top Table of Contents and WP Mobile Bottom Menu. Check out the link in the description. I hope this video will be helpful for you. If you have any queries regarding this issue, feel free to ask them in the comment box. And if you like the video, give a like and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.